Hello Toronto, I'm Saeed from Carbon Real Estate Group with Royal LePage Signature. Privileged to present our latest listing, Unit 205 at the Carlaw Condos in Leslieville, where my love affair for Toronto's East End began a decade ago. While it's no secret, this boutique building is beloved by its residents for the community they have created together, it is also one that is very well managed with friendly and attentive staff who know residents on a first-name basis. It offers great amenities which include visitors parking, 2 guest suites, a gym, library room, a party room with dining area, giant screen TV and workstations, as well as a large rooftop terrace with 2 Napoleon barbecues, generous seating, private terraces, and breathtaking views of the city skyline. Both Chromecast and free Wi-Fi are available in most of the amenities, including the lobby, with 4 different service providers available for Wi-Fi in your own suite. Speaking of suite, the bachelor we're about to visit has been professionally cleaned and fully repainted, making for the perfect opportunity for someone seeking a pied-à-terre on the east side of the city or wanting to enter the real estate market and adding to their real estate portfolio. Let's go inside and see what makes it so versatile. Contrarily to several studios in the city, this one comes with a locker and offers a functional floor plan with a sleek bathroom and soaker tub. A designated sleeping area with a large double closet one can customize to maximize storage. Full-size front-load washer, dryer, and stove. The wall on the east side of the unit permits great usage of both vertical and horizontal square footage to create a study area, a gallery wall, or add custom millwork and shelving if desired. While its clear south exposure provides for a ton of natural light, the large size balcony is a great way to expand onto your living space and share a meal or drink with friends, read a book, or relax and people watch without ever leaving your home. Its full width provides the opportunity to clean your windows anytime you desire, and the gas barbecue hookup is yours to use privately starting this summer. If the condo was an ice cream sundae, the location would be the cherry on the top. It has so much to offer, I can't do justice to the neighborhood without inviting you to explore it in person. I'm talking about a full spectrum of shops, stores, and services well within a kilometer radius, making it very easy to access on foot or riding your bicycle, which you can safely store in the bicycle locker included in your purchase. Anything from groceries and pharmacies, clinics, yoga studios and gyms, gas stations, cafes, pubs and restaurants, shops, parks, library, and schools are available to you. If you need to venture further away, public transit gives you easy access to both Pape subway station to the north and the Queen streetcar line to the south. The Gardner Expressway and the DVP are just a jaunt away for motorists to access. I hope you've enjoyed discovering this incredible opportunity, which is probably the most affordable one you'll come across this year. Please make sure to share this video with anybody you know would love to seize it before it's too late. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or slide into our DMs. Follow us on social media for many more opportunities to come, and thanks for watching.